Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to turn on and off notification setting on Roblox application using your mobile device. Now, let's get started. First of all, launch open Roblox app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, tap on More at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, look for Notifications and tap on it. Under the notification option, if you haven't enabled notification setting, you can tap on Enabled Notifications and click on Allow in the pop-up. You can then customize mobile push notifications, email notification, community notification, and experience notifications. Choose one of the notification settings you want to enable, and if you ever want to enable any kind of notification, make sure that the toggle switch right next to it is enabled. For example, if you want to be notified when someone invited you to a party, you can toggle on party invitation. Similarly, you can also turn on other notifications such as connection request, etc. But if you ever want to disable a notification setting from your Roblox app, all you need to do is to come back to this same notification button, expand any notification options, and toggle off the button right next to them. If you want to entirely turn off all the notifications, then go ahead and open up Settings app from your device. Under Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notifications, look for Roblox app, and under Roblox, toggle off the button right next to Allow Notifications. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to disable push notifications from the Roblox app entirely on your mobile device. By following these steps, you can easily manage your Roblox notifications, whether you want to enable them or disable them according to your choice. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.